Oui, je parle français. If you've been able to go through all the lessons we have done, you should be close to 10% of your language learning journey in French.
Speak English. Hindi में बात करो. Шуачунвэн. Habla español. Говорить по-русски. Качи.
Greetings to you wherever you are, and welcome to today's lesson on speaking French. If you have gone through our lessons so far, you should be able to greet and introduce yourself. Ask better questions. Where are you? How are you? What do you do? Where do you come from? Do you speak English? Do you speak French? You should know how to respond also. The trick is simple. Learn what to say, how to say it, and know how to answer every question that comes around. Whatever lessons we are taking, you should know how to greet someone in French. Bonjour. How to ask about someone. Comment ça va? How to respond. Ça va bien. Je vais bien. You should know how to ask where someone is from. D'où viens-tu? Je viens des États-Unis. Je viens de Ghana. Je viens de Nigeria. I come from here. I come from here. You should be able to ask someone if he speaks or doesn't speak French. Tu parles français? Oui, je parle français. Or, non, je ne parle pas français. Now, after this basic introduction and greeting, you should know how to ask where someone is. Où es-tu? And that was the last lesson we did. Où es-tu? Where are you? We learned to respond also. Je suis à l'école, je suis à la maison, je suis au marché, je suis en ville. Now, the first few lessons we've learned should be taking you to about 10% of your language speaking journey. Going forward, we're going to learn how to use aller, the verb aller. Just as we did with the verb être, we're going to use the verb aller on the destinations and places also. So you should be able to ask where someone is going to, or where you are going to, and also how to respond. So we're going to use the verb aller also, and from there, we'll be adding 2 or 3 more lessons. So, using the verb aller on the destinations we have learned so far is our next lesson. And from there, we are going to add a few more expressions and phrases to raise the level of our French speaking. If you haven't really grasped what we've learned so far, I'll please that you go back to the lessons and pick them up one by one. Now, how do I learn these phrases myself? I write them down and I read them daily. In about 7 days' time, everything is stuck in your mind. And that's what I'm doing with Hindi. I'll be giving you a Hindi update on my journey in Hindi in the next video. So watch out for that one also. So after learning the verb aller and the destinations, we are going to add a few more lessons to further improve our French speaking. We're going to raise our level a little higher in the next 2 to 3 lessons. Thank you for staying tuned on this update, and see you in the next videos.